Blessed day everyone! Say hi! So for this video, you will see how I've created this Dreamy Crochet top. Let's start! So now we will be making this part. So it is just a single crochet pattern or panel. At the back, it is a crisscross, but I want to change it into a back-to-back panel. So we will be doing two single crochet panel, one with this V-cut and one with the straight panel. So to get the right amount or the right length of your single crochet panel, get an undergarment that fits you well, because you will be creating a single crochet panel with this length, okay, and with this height. Okay, I'll be doing is, of course, create a chain stitch by creating a slip knot in which you will be wrapping your yarn on one of your finger to create a loop. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through that loop. Pull the rest, you have the slip knot. Okay, then create a chain stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, and pull through the loop. So continue creating this one, a chain stitch that you already have on this one. Okay, for the sake of the tutorial, I will only be doing 20 stitches, 20 chain stitch. Okay, when you have this length, the next row is a single crochet. So now we will be dealing with the single crochet pattern for the next row. So you have the chain stitch, now you need to do a single crochet pattern. So to do a single crochet, you have this free loop or free stitch. Insert your hook through that stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through that two loops that you have created. Again, a single crochet, insert your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Okay, continue doing this one till you've reached the end. Okay, you have now this row. Okay, so the next row, that's also the step that you're gonna be following for the succeeding row till you reach this height. Okay, this height. So chain one, turn your work around like this one. So you have this stitch, that one, the very first, and this one. Okay, so you've had chain one to fill up this one. Okay, so meaning you will do the single crochet on the second stitch, not on this one. So insert your hook through this one, not through this one, only to this one, and do a single crochet, yarn over and yarn over. Okay, because you have already did the chain one on the very start. Okay, that will give you the straight pattern. So continue doing, okay, the row, okay, the single crochet row till you have this length. So I have done enough single crochet. For example, you have done enough single crochet up until this point. Okay, now we will be dealing with this part. So to create this part, you need to have a stitch marker. Mine is a pin. Okay, so this is example your single crochet panel. You're gonna fold it in half, mark the middle stitch there. Okay, then you will continue to single crochet all the way through this part. So I'll meet you back when we've reached this part. So for example, you are already reached this part, done the single crochet under your stitch marker. That's the time you're gonna turn around, do not chain one. Okay, we will still leave this stitch unattended, so we will continue to do single crochet over here. So just a normal row of single crochet but not chaining one at the very start and skipping still the first stitch. Okay, that will mark or that will show you the v-neck style. Okay, so you've reached the end. Continue to do a single crochet and still chain one. So the decreased part and the v-neck part will only apply on this end. So turn around, then single crochet up until this end. So now we are at the end of this row. We will not be doing any decrease at this part because if we will be having decrease for every stitches or for every row, we will have a very wide V. So if you want a wider V, you can decrease for every row. But if you want a narrow V just like this, decrease in every other row. So for this one, you continue single crocheting up until the end on this part, then turn your work around and do not chain one. Again, and that's the point that you're gonna do the single crochet or the decrease part. So when you've reached at the end, you already have enough row for the front part. Okay, make sure that the end will be in the middle. You will now continue doing a single crochet on this V part, this one, okay, to have a neater look. Okay, just again, eyeball the spaces. Oops. So again, eyeball the spaces in between each crochet. Sorry, didn't notice that you're not seeing it. There you go. Remove your marker. Okay, so single crochet at that end. Okay, then do a single crochet on this part now. Decrease on the second row, then single crochet, decrease over here, single crochet, decrease over here. There you have an equal row of this part. Okay, so at the very end, make sure that you will be ending also on this part, so you can stop over here. So you can also do a single crochet on the v-neck part that will give you a neater finish. So for this front part, you will be ending at this point. Okay, so we have done a front part, a mini front part that doesn't really looks like this one. I guess a bigger project will make it look like this one, but I hope you get the point. And the back part, make sure that they are equal in size. Then you know the drill. This is the time that you will be combining these two together. Okay, so you can stitch it using a needle and your thread, or you can do a single crochet any way you want. It's good. I think since because I cannot see my needle, I'm gonna do a single crochet altogether for them. To do that one, make sure your work are aligned, meaning you've started over this part and also on the back part. Oopsie, you have started on that part. Okay, combine. Okay, attach like that one. Insert your hook, get your thread, yarn over, pull through the stitch, close, tie a knot, 1 or 2 knots, okay. I've just realized that it's hard to make a small crochet tack. Okay, then tie it also on these two. So you have a very tight and strong put it na. Okay? Then just a normal single crochet. With this one, go, single. Sorry. Yarn over. Yarn. Sorry. I'm having a hard time. Yarn over, pull through. There you go. It's so hard. I think I'll be using. Then pull through that one. Can you see? So this is the mini version of this part. We will be dealing with this part next.